Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between owner's funds and borrowed funds. Both are important sources of business finance, but they differ in terms of ownership, repayment obligations, cost, risk, and control. Understanding these differences helps businesses make better financing decisions. Number 1. Owner's funds are funds contributed by the owners or shareholders of a business, whereas borrowed funds are funds obtained from external sources that must be repaid. Number 2. Owner's funds come from owners, shareholders, partners, or retained earnings, whereas borrowed funds come from banks, financial institutions, lenders, or debenture holders. Number 3. Owner's funds represent ownership capital in the business, whereas borrowed funds create a liability that the business owes to creditors. Number 4. Owner's funds do not require fixed repayment, whereas borrowed funds must be repaid according to agreed terms and schedules. Number 5. No interest is payable on owner's funds, whereas interest must be paid regularly on borrowed funds. Number 6. Owner's funds have no explicit financing cost and mainly involve an opportunity cost, whereas borrowed funds have a direct cost in the form of interest charges. Number 7. Owner's funds involve lower financial risk because there is no repayment obligation, whereas borrowed funds involve higher financial risk due to mandatory repayments. Number 8. Owners retain full control over the business through owner's funds, whereas lenders generally do not participate in the day-to-day management of the business. Number 9. Owner's funds usually do not require any security or collateral, whereas borrowed funds often require assets to be pledged as security. Number 10. Owner's funds generally remain invested in the business permanently, whereas borrowed funds are available only for a fixed tenure. Number 11. Owner's funds provide greater flexibility in utilization, whereas borrowed funds may be subject to specific terms and conditions. Number 12. Owner's funds do not reduce profits through interest expenses, whereas borrowed funds reduce profits because interest payments are treated as expenses. Number 13. Owner's funds generally do not provide tax benefits, whereas interest paid on borrowed funds is often tax-deductible. Number 14. Owner's funds have little impact on the company's creditworthiness, whereas timely repayment of borrowed funds can improve the company's credit rating. Number 15. Examples of owner's funds include equity share capital, preference share capital, retained earnings, reserves, and surplus, whereas examples of borrowed funds include bank loans, overdrafts, debentures, bonds, trade credit, and term loans. To summarize, owner's funds represent the owner's investment and provide long-term stability without repayment pressure, whereas borrowed funds provide additional financial resources but come with interest costs and repayment responsibilities. Businesses usually use a combination of both sources to maintain a balanced capital structure and support growth. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.